Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can design your own phone wallpaper using Canva Mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Canva application, and first thing first, we have to search for the phone wallpapers template on Canva. This is the phone wallpaper template, and I'm going to see all. And here we'll be able to access a lot of free templates we can use for our wallpaper, and you can choose the template as you like. For instance, I'm just going to select this one, guys. I'm going to replace the photo on this wallpapers with my own photo. We just need to click on the photo like this, and then we can click on replace, and I'm going to choose photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with maybe this one. Okay, and then for the second one, I'm going to choose photo I have just uploaded on my Canva. I'm going to select this photo, and then I'm going to replace them all with my own photo. Alright, and now it's done, and I'm going to change the text as well. I'm just going to add slow living, right? And now it's done, guys. This is the final result, and if you want to save this photo to your device, you just need to click on this button, and then you can save it as image. Okay, now the image is being saved to my gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can design our own wallpaper on the Canva application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.